Welcome back to Tech Tuesday. I'm Alex here with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to talk about air filter options for your C8 Corvette. The air filters for your C8 Corvette do have a service interval of about 10 to 15,000 miles. So at some point you will need to change one. We're going to go through your options of what you can pick from. Starting with your OEM, this is the factory replacement filter. It is non-cleanable. All your other options are cleanable, so you'll buy them once and just clean them when they need serviced. This one here is going to be your K&N option, normal K&N quality, oiled filter. These will be your AFE options. You will have a dry and an oiled option, and then you have your Attack Blue option. All of these replacements for that OEM filter fit in the stock airbox. If you haven't checked out our air filter shootout video, I would definitely do that. And we talk about some of the gains and benefits of the filter. If you notice, a couple of these filters do have a divider in the center that mimic the divider that's in the OEM. During our testing, we did notice some cleaner mass airflow sensor signals by running a filter with a divider, but I'd still check out that video. It's good information on all the filters. So if you're interested in picking up any of these filters, check out paragonperf.com, get yours today. If you notice this cool piece of carbon fiber behind me, that is an intake for the C8 Corvette. Look forward to talking to you guys about that in the near future. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next week.